Welcome to Sparkly Story Time.
Choo-choo, the train is here. Colorful fruits are coming near. Hop on board, let's have some fun. Learning colors one by one. A bright red apple, sunshine for all. Red like roses, red like a hat, red like a fire truck speeding past. Next, here comes banana bright, soft and yellow, a yummy sight. La la la, like the shining sun. Peel and eat. Ooh, what fun! What is next? Let's take a peek. It's an orange, round and sweet. Orange like pumpkins, orange like juice. So fresh and tasty, let it loose. In comes something green, a juicy pear, crisp and clean. Green like trees, green like peas, green like grassy summer breeze. Now comes purple, big and round, grapes so sweet they won't last long. Purple like a wizard's hat, a bunch of grapes. Imagine that all the fruits are on the train, colors dancing in the lane.
一部手机名一本
Yellow, green and blue, so
好嘛当个
bright Fruits are tasty, fruits are fun, they help us grow and make us run. Eat your fruits, stay happy and bright. Let's learn more day and night. Choo-choo, the train says bye. Time to eat, so wave and smile. Like and share, don't forget to stay. Come back soon for another play. Baby feels it, he does try.
一部手机名一本好嘛当个